Hey guys, I'm Heidi Cannon. I'm a world bikini champion and a posing coach. So today's video, I'm going to show you guys how my little tips, my tricks, if you're posing by a pool. So let's go. All right, so you want to know your angles. That's always number one. That's always number one important thing is knowing your angles, what looks great on you, your left side or right side, whatever that may be. So I'm going to just sit on top of here. So the biggest thing when you're doing something by the pool is you want to make sure that everything is elevated. Your chest is lifted, your shoulders are dropped, that nice arch in the back. You don't want to just sit comfortably because this will look terrible in photos. So really accentuating everything, lifting everything up. And of course, the number one thing that I stress so much is the toes. Pointing those toes at all times. So if you're by a pool, pointing the toes. If you're dropping one foot down, you want to point those toes just because it looks so much elegant and so nice and polished. So we have our pointed toes. So now, like, if we're going to actually get into the towel, let's say, all right, just like so, I am on my toes, on my tippy toes. At all times, I'm always on my tippy toes whenever I'm posing, just because it doesn't look as nice, as polished as if you're actually up, everything's elevated and pretty and beautiful. So again, all my weight is on my left hand side. I'm simply just sitting back in those hips. I'm just gazing off to the side though. So pointed toes, arched back, everything lifted. Another thing that is lovely for a pool shoot is if you have something that like a levels in here, you want to sit on the side, let's say. I like my side poses a lot because I feel like it accentuates everything from the side. So simply dropping one leg in, having one leg up, and again, everything is pointed. You see how my leg's not pointed? See, it's pointed, everything's elevated left. Just little things like this make all the difference. And again, your arms, you're never just sitting onto them. You're holding yourself up, arching that back, everything's lifted, looking beautiful. Hope you liked the video, guys. Follow for more tips, and I'll see you in the next vid.